Hi everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make these spooky paper lanterns. This is a pretty easy craft that you can use to decorate your home for Halloween. So without further ado, let's get started. The supplies you need for this craft include paper, a black marker or other coloring tool, scissors, and tape. We'll start off by drawing our spooky picture. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a skull, but you can draw other things as well, such as a ghost's face, or if you use orange paper, you can draw a pumpkin's carved face. I'm going to start by drawing the head, then the cheekbones. After, I'll draw the eyes and the nose, and lastly, I will draw the jaw and the teeth. I will also make sure to color in the hollow areas of the eyes and the nose. Next, we're going to fold our paper in half. Then, taking our scissors, cut slits in the paper. Make sure not to cut all the way to the edge, just cut in the middle. Then, when you unfold your paper, you should have lines going all along the middle of your paper. Now I've made sure to prepare tape on the side, and now we're going to take our paper and we're going to round it into a cylindrical shape and we're going to tape it like this. Make sure to tape the bottom as well. You can see the lantern taking form. I'm actually going to add another piece of tape because the paper is sticking out, so I'm going to tape it again to make sure it's secure. If you don't like how it looks with the masking tape showing, you can always use clear tape or you can use glue instead. For the final step, we're going to be making a handle for our lantern. Here I grabbed another piece of paper and I just cut a long strip. Once again, I have tape prepared on the sides, and I'm going to be taping the handle of my lantern like this. I'm going to be putting a piece of tape on the inner part of the lantern. This way it will not show as much. Once you finish with this last step, you are all done with your paper lantern. Alright, so that's all for today's craft. It's quite simple, but is a fun way to get into the Halloween spirit. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. Bye!